Yep.
Dead. No juice in it.
It backed the nail out too.
That's less exciting than I was expecting.
Not enough voltage.
Okay, well that other cell should have something.
This thing won't focus.
The nail is in that one. What's the good cell?
There's no voltage in that either.
Should have been. Is it getting puffy?
Alright.
This isn't as exciting as I thought it would be.
Yeah. Bit of a letdown.
I guess you need to fuck up good lipos in order to get a good explosion.
What's that smell?
It's like cold.
I smell cold.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, thanks.
What is that?
Stinky,
The lipo.
stinky pussy.
But there's 4 here and 4 here.
That's lipo, dude. That's the inside of a sack. There you done?
Does it warm at all or anything?
No.
Hey, wait, maybe we can still use it. Ooh, thought I saw a spark.
Oh, look, look.
I saw something.
Yeah, it's starting to smoke a little bit. There's a little bit of smoke there.
Chemical reaction can't happen because he keeps hitting it with a fucking hammer. Oh, nasty. What the hell is that action?
Lipo innards.
Thanks. Yeah, don't kick it near me, Dick.
Got a fucking screw in it hanging out of it.
Don't kick it near my car, idiot.
Let's let those stew overnight.
This is the worst video ever.
Ah! No, just kidding. Alright, I'm bored.
You know what? I want to screw people over on YouTube and put this down as biggest lipo fire ever. Alright, let's laugh at the suckers who are going to watch this video. Good stuff.